or footage they had just taken of a bunch of rockets leaving the Gaza Strip to go to Israel, and one of the rockets you could see it was screwy. It kind of blew up, and then you see a big explosion in Gaza right at that time. Turns out that's the exact time the hospital allegedly blew up. So that's how they knew it was a rocket from inside, an accidental rocket from inside Gaza, rather than the Israelis airstriking it. So then all the New York Times, BBC, they all started slowly changing their headlines to from 500 killed in Israeli airstrike to 500 killed in blast to, at this point they may be saying parking lot